will have to right behind me. And the design was made by the accomplished Bosnian-Herzegovinian artist, Tribeca Cinemas. And she's standing right there, so give her a shout out.
We had the Best Audience Award for the documentary. We had 4 films in that category. We had Tribeca South, Believers, If You're Watching This Mom, and Diagnosis SBH. And the award goes to Diagnosis SBH. For the Best Short or Feature Film, we had the following nominees. We had Chapter 11 Rock and Roll, I Don't Dream in German, Razor, One Half, Agape, It's Hard to Be Nice, and The Night Guards. And the winner is Agape, the short film. Yeah.